Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JWeb. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to participate on a Zoom meeting while muted. Let's go! If you're in a meeting and the host has revoked unmuting privileges for participants, there are still ways that you can participate in the meeting. First, if the chat has been enabled for the meeting, you can click on the chat button, which will open up this window, and you can write your messages there. Who you can contact via the chat will depend on how the host has set up this meeting. Another way of participating in a meeting while muted is clicking on the reactions button. And here you're gonna have two options. One is to use a temporary emoji, such as clap or thumbs up or the heart or any of the emojis available on your computer. Clicking on one of these emojis will display them on top of your video feed temporarily. And if you want to get the speaker's attention, you could use the raise hand option. That will give you a hands up emoji on top of your video feed, but that will be permanent until you or the host lower your hand once your participation has finished. For example, if you want to ask a question or you want to comment on something, you can raise your hand and the host can unmute you so you can participate, and once you're done, either them or yourself can make that hand emoji disappear. Be aware that if you use this feature, your video feed will be moved to the first position so that the host takes notice that someone is raising their hand. Yet another way for you to participate while muted is to click on the reactions button and use one of these 5 buttons. These are the feedback buttons. So if the speaker wants to ask a yes or no question, you can quickly respond by clicking on one of these options. Or if the speaker is presenting some content, you can ask them to slow down or speed up depending on your preferences, or you can quietly let other participants know that you are not at your computer at the present time. Whatever option you choose is going to appear on the participants panel next to your name. That way, the host and the co-hosts will have a feel of the meeting's temperature by looking at the participants panel. These 5 options will also be placed on top of your video feed and are permanent. They will only disappear if you change it or disable them, or if the host makes them all disappear at once. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.